Hello and welcome. In this video I would like to show you my new therapy light from Mito, which is the next generation light with digital controls and extra bioactive wavelengths. So if you are interested in red light therapy, please stay with me. This is Mito Pro 300. The latest and just upgraded red light therapy panel from Mito Red Lights, which incorporates digital timer and 4 bioactive wavelengths. And as a bonus, it's got free table stand, which other companies charge $100 for it. By the way, this video is not sponsored by anyone, and I am affiliate with Mito Red Lights, and they kindly sent me this therapy panel for free so I can do some testing, comparison and demonstrations. And the good news about this is that because I'm affiliate with them, I can offer you a discount code, so if you are interested in this kind of therapy panel, you can get it cheaper. I've been using the previous model, MOD 300. And if you are interested in this model, it's a little bit cheaper than this one. You can check the videos on my YouTube channel about it. Initially, I wanted to purchase this light. So a couple months ago, when I was making decision and ordering my therapy lights for my family, this panel was being upgraded. So it looked different than this. It had a little bit different shape. I couldn't buy it because it was on pre-order and the waiting time was about 2-3 months. So I thought, no, I needed the light at that time, and I was really interested in that panel I have in my bedroom right now. Which is the middle range model from that company. So instead of this one, I bought the other one, and I'm quite happy with those as well. So now I've got 2 small lights. This one we keep on the table stand and we do like phase therapy treatment and also some therapy for my scalp, because I want to prevent for further loss of my hair. And the other panel, the other small panel, I connected to my bigger light, so I can do more full body treatment at the same time. So that's brilliant now. So let me quickly tell you about this panel. So this panel belongs to Mito Pro line, the most spec'd out therapy line panels from this company. It's got 60 LEDs, half of them are red, half of them are near infrared. Also offers digital controls, and what is a great feature in this light, has got a table stand included in the price. And if you think it's not something special, do some research on the market and you will see that many companies charge £100 for a table stand, and this one is included already in the price. So this light is very good for face beauty anti-aging treatment and also doing some light therapy on muscles, joints, like for instance if somebody has got painful knees or maybe painful back, because it's so versatile that you can of course use it on the table stand like it is right now. But it comes with the pulley system, so you can attach 2 screws here and hang with the pulley system on the door or on the wall. And because this light is modular, it means you can connect this light with other lights to create a bigger therapy setups, better suiting your therapeutic needs. The light is very easy to use. You just turn the main switch at the back. You've got a control panel, very easy to operate. you just set up the timer. So for instance, I will set for 1 minute only. So I want to show you that it switches off by itself. It's got a timer. You can select which wavelengths of light you use. So you can use infrared, you can use both red and infrared, and you can also use just red. It depends what are your therapeutic goals. And when you press OK, you start the session. So let me quickly demonstrate. I just put goggles on, which are included in the box, in the package, because the light is extremely bright. And of course, not everyone likes to stand for a couple minutes and be exposed to this bright light. Always remember, don't look with your open eyes into the switch on light panel, because it's very bright and that's not very healthy to your eyes. You know, the light is generally very healthy, but when you look at any bright light, it's not good for your eyes. So that's why we are using protective goggles, and we just basically press the OK, and we can now do the session. And the good thing about having light session is that it's very good me time. You can relax, you can meditate, you can listen to some music, you can listen to audiobook, or you just basically sit like this and clear up your mind and have a great me time. You set the time depending to how long you want to have the session. They recommend to start with shorter sessions, so for instance 3 minutes maybe initially, and then over time reaching 10 minutes. 10 minutes is like optimal. And as you see, the light turn off by itself after the timer reach what I set it up for. This is how simple it is to use this light. The light costs $329. This is official price, but because I'm affiliated with them, I can offer you a discount code, 5%. Use my name as a coupon code. And the good thing is that they offer you 2 months trial period. So if you are new to red light therapy, you are not sure is it going to work for you or not, are you going to enjoy and benefit from it, then just get the light, try it for 2 months, and if you are happy with it, keep it for many years to enjoy red light therapy benefits. But if it doesn't work for you, because you know nothing works for everyone, then of course you can return the light and then they will give you a refund. I think it's a fair deal, and not many other products you can test for 2 months and then return if you are not happy with them. If you find the information in this video beneficial, please give it a thumb up, I really appreciate it. Share with your friends who would also benefit from this information. Check out my website for more information about red light therapy, discount codes and other light panels I use and recommend. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.